Hi, I'm Lisa from Recreated Designs, and thank you for joining me for another DIY tip of the day. Today I want to talk to you about sanding painted furniture. So when you paint a piece of furniture with milk paint or with Annie Sloan chalk paint, both have no latex or acrylic in them. So when you go to sand it, it makes a lot of dust or powder, and that's because of the lack of latex or acrylic. So when you're sanding, it goes back to its powder form. So I have my dresser drawer here, and it's painted with milk paint. And if I start to sand this without anything on it, so all that's on it right now is the milk paint, and I'm going to show you what happens. Okay, so there's all kinds of sand and milk paint powder there. So my tip for today is to take your wax or your hemp oil, whatever you're going to finish your milk paint with, and put it on before you sand it. This is going to cut down significantly on the amount of dust that you're going to get. So if you're doing this inside or even somewhere where you don't want all that dust and powder, take your wax or your hemp oil and rub it on first. I'm going to show you here. So I've got my drawer. I'm going to take some of this beautiful wax here. And I've applied my wax here, and then I'm going to sand the same spot. And there's no dust at all. So this is perfect, again, if you're working inside, if you have a small space to work in. Always apply your wax or your hemp oil first. Thank you for joining me for this tip of the day. I'll be back soon with another DIY tip. See you soon.